Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the up speaker. This one, it's not working, the up one. Okay, first you have to take out the two screw here. Okay, after you take out the two screw, if you have something like this, you can use this. Okay, if you don't have it, just use the pencil, but very be careful you don't break the screen. This one just help you to raise the screen up a bit like this. Okay, then use the pencil, just put it in between the screen and the metal, just open it slowly like this. If you don't have this one also, you can still use the pencil, but very be careful, do it slowly so you don't spoil anything. Okay, open it right on. Take out this one so it don't disturb you. Open it right on like this. Should have the clip, you can still use the pencil, but do it slowly when you open it. Don't spoil anything. The connector is around this side. Okay, open it slowly. Okay, then you open it down here, you have to slide it down a bit. Okay, then you open it from the side like this. Okay, now you need to take out the screen, remove it, remove all the screw, disconnect the battery first. Any screw you take out, make sure you put it different place because iPhone have different type of screw, so that you don't get confused when you want to fix it back. And this one. Okay, remove this panel, put it close to the screw, disconnect the battery. Okay, and open the side. Any screw you take out, make sure you put them different places because iPhone screws are not the same sometimes, so you don't get confused. Okay, take out this panel, disconnect the LCD cable, disconnect the speaker cable also. Okay, take out this one and put this one side. Okay, now you need to replace the new speaker. You have to take out the old one, take out the screws. Make sure when you remove the screw, you make sure you know where you remove them and you pack them exactly like you take them from the phone, so it will be easy for you. As you can see the way I'm doing it, you make it more easy for you to know where you take it out. There's another screw here, different screw. Remove the screw here, very tiny screw here, small one at the top. Okay, take out the speaker, remove the sensors here. Okay, remove the mic, all come one set. The up mic, take it out. Okay, now fix the new one. Make sure you fix the sensor inside. Go inside properly like this. Fix the mic. Fix the other sensor here also. Very nice. Then you put the speaker down. Okay. Replace all the screw back you take out. When you put the screws down, how you take them out, it's easy for you to fix back. Okay. Fix back this small screw. Very small screw at the top here. Very important to fix it. This one is for the sensor. Okay. And fix back the LCD. Okay. Fix back the speaker. Fix it very nice. Make sure the connector rests properly. Fix the battery. Okay. Fix back this cover. Replace all the screw you take out. Make sure you place all the screw. Okay. Fix this other cover to the battery side. Fix this other cover. Place all the screw you take out. You have to be very skillful to do it because the cover is under the LCD connector. So sometimes you have to bend the LCD a bit to fix it. Okay. Now you close the phone. Start closing from the top. Yeah. Make sure the top is very slide like this. Very nice. Okay. Then you close it down. Okay. You place back the two screw here. It's all the two screw. Okay. Now you on the phone. Now the phone is on. I know the speaker is working out perfectly. Everything is okay. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.